Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vipul and today we'll be talking about accessories. Everyone has access to the same store from where you buy your outfits. So the question arises, how can we stand out by wearing those same outfits? Accessories. Accessories can literally transform your ordinary outfit into extra freaking ordinary. Let's start with the outfit I am wearing. A normal suit. Let's accessorize. A tie. Boom. A step ahead, right? Now let's talk about ties. First and foremost is say no to skinny and fat ties. They are no more in fashion. And also tie made with wood, plastic, and don't know what. Always go for fabric ties. The other thing that you should keep in mind is that the width of your tie should match the width of your label. The next time you wear a tie, keep these tips in mind. And your tie game would be thrashing 12 out of 10. Now number 2, let's bring in pocket square. Now two things that you have to keep in mind while rocking a pocket square is color and pattern. Now if your pocket square is for the shirt, the color should be exact same without patterns. Now if the pocket square is for the tie, the color is obvious, but pattern tie, pattern pocket square. Non-pattern tie, non-pattern pocket square. Now you can play around with the patterns if you want, but keep in mind overdoing it will entirely ruin your outfit. Number 3 is tie bars. With this one little touch up, your outfit is sizzling 17 out of 10. Remember, one tie bar. I've seen people wearing multiple tie bars and ruining their outfits. The colors you should opt for are black, silver and golden. Tie bars are a sign of formality. Don't ruin it by wearing those shades or crowns or whatnot kind of tie bars. Simple is sexy. Now it's time for something casuals. Now let's talk about watches. Now due to smartphones and other technologies, guys don't usually wear watches. So wearing a watch will definitely make you stand out. Watches are not only a physical accessory that elevates your style, it also sends a subliminal message to the person that you are responsible and you value your time. Watches are so cool that it elevates your outfit and it also makes your forearms look bigger because it reduces the length of your forearm, and smaller it is, bigger it looks. But that doesn't mean you will wear two watches. Now, next on the list is frames. Frames obviously are of two types, transparent and shades. And frames are something that every one of us can pull off. Even if your eyesight is perfect, doesn't mean you cannot pull off those sexy ass transparent shades. What? Looking at my nose? I know it's big.
That's what she said.
They also make you look smarter, more intelligent and interesting. And playing and experimenting around with frames can also impact your face structure. You see? And also this. Guys, frames are very powerful accessory. Don't hesitate wearing them even if you have perfect vision. They are meant to be used occasionally, not every day, as a part of your outfit. Now coming to shades. Shades not only elevate your fashion game, it also protects your skin from getting wrinkled and aged due to harmful rays of sun. Shades make you look more mysterious, elegant and sexy. Now there are some tips that you have to keep in mind while rocking shades. Looks bad, right? Let's talk about it. Say no to those sports polarized shades. They are meant for field only. They are not a fashion statement. And those ultra reflective rainbow showering stupid shades, they make you look like a douche. If you have them, dump it. Now number 6 is rings. Rings can affect your outfit game significantly. It can be both positive as well as negative. Guys, less is more. You cannot walk around wearing 10 rings. Never wear rings on your pinky fingers. Never. Wearing rings on your thumb is very subjective. If you can pull it off, yes. If you can't, no. In my opinion, if you're not married, a ring in the right ring finger is the game. Now let's talk about the metal rule. If you're rocking a silver watch, you cannot wear a golden ring. And the other way around is also the same. Always match your metals. Again, in my humble opinion, a guy who's not married, avoid golden rings. They are neither attractive nor in fashion. And also golden watches. Now number 7 is bracelets. Now bracelet adds X into your outfit. Meaning they don't take over your outfit. They add that edge, that element to your outfit. Bracelets shouldn't be used when you're dressing up. That is a formal outfit. You should rock bracelets when you're having a casual outfit to add that edge to your casual outfits. And I'm begging you, please don't wear those rubber bands or friendship bands that you used to wear when you were a kid. Instead, go for a metallic bracelet or a rugged rubber one. In my opinion, they will make you look more masculine. Now, number 8 is bags. You might feel surprised when I say your bags are also accessories. Your bags are your style statements. whether it's your kit bag, your daily load bag, or a traveling bag. And say no to those kit bags that shout sports. Go for something that's more subtle and smart. And always pick those basic colors: black, brown, and olive green. Now, number 9 is lockets. Lockets are a very subjective topic. If you can pull it off, go for it. If you can't, stay away. And assuming that you can pull it off, go for those subtle small black or silver. Nothing more, nothing humongous, nothing sparkly. And definitely not dog tags. It's not 2010, they're out of fashion. Go for more subtle and meaningful lockets, not an AK-47 lying down your neck. Now, last but not the least, the 10th tip is always match your leathers. That is your watch, your shoes, and your belt. If you're rocking a black dress shoes, wear a black belt and a black strap watch. Now same goes for your brown leathers as well. Now there exist so many shades of brown leather. So my advice is, when you are going out to buy a belt or a shoe, always take assistance. If you're going for a shoe, take your belt with you. And if you're going for a belt, take your shoe with you. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and accessorized.